These two chicken chains are hiding what's actually in your food, and one of them could put money in your pocket right now. Number 1, Raising Cane's. Cane's is facing serious scrutiny after refusing to tell customers what's actually in their chicken. They ship ingredients in unmarked bags and force managers to sign NDAs so the secret never gets out. But here's what's been alleged. That chicken strip? It's barely muscle. It's boiled carcass, flushed in parasitic acid, a corrosive bath banned in Europe, then submerged in 24-hour brine tanks that pump the flesh full of undeclared liquid. Then it's dredged through undisclosed batter, blasted with TBHQ-laced oil, and served with a sauce nobody's allowed to read the recipe for. Cane's is one of 10 chains exploiting a loophole to hide their ingredients, the same loophole that historically covered up cancer-linked dyes. Number 2, Chick-fil-A. You know the Eat More Chicken branding, but what they don't advertise is the synthetic silicone-based anti-foaming agent in their fryer oil. Yes, the same one used to make silly putty, or the fact that they're getting sued right now for hiding fees in their delivery app. Customers who ordered Chick-fil-A delivery in the past few years were charged inflated menu prices plus service fees that were never disclosed on the app. Now they're paying it back through an active lawsuit on ClaimMoney.com. Payouts can hit more than $100, but the deadline is closing fast. If you've ever tapped Deliver on their app, head to ClaimMoney.com before the window shuts. Save this post so it doesn't get lost in your feed and share it with anyone who eats at these chains. They may be owed money and not even know it. The website is ClaimMoney.com, and follow me for the next round of chains getting exposed.